Okay, so now I'm replacing the broken headlight switch. This is the headlight switch that was in the, you can see it's broken. And the wiring harness snaps off. Here's a new switch with the harness on. Now when you take it out, you have to take the rod out first so you can undo the screw that goes here. And the rod comes out. You see this little button here, you push that in and the rod comes out. So then it's in there and you just have to take off the screw. There's a screw. That was in there like this. And you have to loosen it out. And the way I loosened mine out was I use this brake tool. You can see how it gets right in there. And I just screwed it out. So then you tap that back in there. I'm going to put it in there. Put the rod back in. Screw it on. Here's the cover for it, and that'll be it. Now, then after this, I'm going to like really try to do the wiring in here. It looked really rough at first, but after looking at it closer, I think I can do it. So, if not, I'll buy a harness, but I'm just trying to learn about it. I was able to wire this up in here pretty good by just following a diagram that I got off the internet. Like these wires here, that's like for temperature gauges and stuff, so I'll run those later. Anyway, I'm learning as I go. So I'll check in again in a little while after this is all up and running. I get to test the lights. Bye.